What is up, neighbor? I am so glad to see all your faces, few of you who are watching. Thank you very much for being here, for staying with me. All 570 subscribers of you, thank you very much for being here. In the previous video about the home tour in Minglanilla Highlands, I mentioned at the end that there's a 1 billion peso worth of amenities in this subdivision. So I am going to share to you what these are. I took this video some months ago, about late part of August, and I'm sharing it again here because nothing much has been improved, because the main focus for every construction is the actual location of the houses. As you can see, there's a very long entrance, the road leading to phase 1. There's the Lady of Miraculous medal as you enter. Now, the big circle, the big round entrance there is called the grand entrance, and that is how the grand entrance should look like when you get in 4 years from now. The amazing thing about Minglanilla Highlands is, again, I'm gonna say it again, is the 1 billion peso worth of amenities. But one of the things that strike me as the wow factor of the development is the three-floor swimming pool. They call it the Mountain Resort Clubhouse. It's amazing, guys. Amazing. Among all the other amenities, which you cannot see yet on site, are meditation garden maze in front of the Miraculous Medal Shrine. And then there will be a wedding chapel and garden reception area, an outdoor events area, a bed and breakfast, an al fresco dining, spa and wellness. There will also be a preschool, a children's playground, sports facilities, that's a given, commercial strips. So when you get inside, or when you own a house in Minglanilla Highlands, there's a big possibility that you will no longer go outside to buy your necessities because there will be a commercial strip. There is also an edible landscaping, an orchard, and a vertical garden. Okay, these 3 greeneries, it will also be called as a pick and pay. So vegetation will be sprouting in the development. There will be a certain area that's dedicated to some vegetation, and when the seasons come, different seasons come, vegetables sprout, you have the option to pick and pay for them. Fresh vegetables. Pick it, pay for it, cook it. Minglanilla Highlands is so amazing. This is developed by Sterling Land Development Corp, and they have been in the real estate business for quite a while. And this is in partnership with architect Palafox, one of the best urban planners, one of the best architects in the Philippines. So you are sure that everything is well thought out, and I'm still amazed. Nothing nationwide, nothing compares to this development. If you have questions in mind, please don't hesitate to comment down below, and I'll be glad to answer it as soon as I can. And of course, please follow me on all my social media accounts. I'm on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook as @LDBenigay, and I'm on TikTok as LD underscore real estate. And as of today, I already have more than 70,000 followers there. So why are you not following me? So thank you guys. If there's anything that I may have missed, and something that you want to know more of, please comment down below or DM me everywhere. I'm always online. Thank you guys. Bye. See you.